bese siyachubeka akusikhasi abazali basekhasi manje.
Okay. Sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami MK and welcome to another episode ye Leadership Insights. Namhlanje ngivanye coach, ngivanye umuntu owaziwayo. Udlalile ePalmridge. Isikhathi esibhayo udlala ePalmridge. Udlalile eGreenfields, udlalile ePolar Park, udlalile Extension 2, udlalile eSomhlolo, udlalile eSoweto, udlalile eFoslo. Igama lakhe uTadisco nasezonke udlalile bambiza ngoTadisco mara I know bangaba there's more to igama laka Tadisco. So great recruitment
MK bathi
imnandi bra. Firstly ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi ushayile around namhlanje. Yeah, akho easy ukuthola ikhulu, but then udele inkinga zakho zonke efana wow for ukuthi ucreate isikhathi ukuthi uzoba nathi. So for doing that no siyaphakamisa kakhulu CMK. So whoever that's watching from ekhaya other than uTadisco icoach yamaZayoni akayazi ukuba ngabo ngubani, akayazi ukuba ngabo ubuya phi. So bengicela usinikeze some i-background nyana ngawe ukuba ngaba kahle ze kube kuna uTadisco okhona today ubuya va.
Oh MK nawo sangipheni.
Yaskisa.
Ibibuzo right Putin. Uxolani lona wakhoza isibongo.
Okay.
Ngizalwa khona la eSprite.
Okay.
Ngobaba emzini wami.
Okay.
Yeah, ngubhuti eStratini. Yeah.
Ngiyavakala.
Yeah.
Ugelizeva and then idiski ungene kanjani idiskini uqale waba iplayer before ovele wena ungene so interested kwi coaching?
Ediskini mfana ngiqale ngintwana ngidlala idisk eGas.
Okay.
ESprite a few ama team engadlalelile ngisaseyintwana, but team engikhulile kuyo ngakhule eKatlong Junior Stars eSkabhatshu.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiqalela ngadlala khona maqedwe kuFimerit then saba abajita. Ngabuya I think in 97, 98 ngazobloma la itsitsi ePalmridge.
Okay.
Then sa former Junior Pirates. Ngadlala lehlangane khona nabajita baseKasi, uDavija, uJemba, yabona Mawutlaw, aboDoctor, umzambi, aboSavio, abawuthenkula nawo behlala sonke la kuJunior Pirates. So after ukudlala ngaba interested in coaching. HB sengishaya for ukungadlala. Then there were time la uBhaja wina khona tournament eSomhlolo. I was a coach there ngihleli naye.
Okay.
Yimbe ngicoach la kuBhaja.
Okay.
That time,
yeah. Okay. So since ube coach, okay, uqale kumuphi unyaka ukucoacha ene mayengaphi ama team osewacoachile so far?
I can't recall because i-team bekuyi-team kaBhaja.
Okay.
Bengintwana ebesishawa i-age ukungadlala nalentwana lezincane. Abomboro, abokabelo, abosandile, intwana leziyana. So I had to ukuthi ngicoach le. Bhaja time ngoba ngiphila nawe and intwana yami khulala kimi coacha le intwana.
Okay.
Ngacoacha sawin it I think so many tournament akona yadlala 2 days. Kwaba i-20,000 first prize then sayithatha. From there ngaqala ngaba interested to coaching. So yeah, like us it's ePalmridge. Ngaspana nenye Hotman bathi ithi Killers.
Okay.
Ndo ngisipana naye ngisipana ngabona ukuthi angeke usebenzele indoda. Yabo esizenzele into yami. Ngaqala nga recruiter le intwana ke. Then ngavela sengithi igama lethi amaZayoni. Mina self ngathi hayi abathandazi lapha. Uyangithola. Ngathi hayi amaZayoni ngathenga ijezi. Wonke lamajezi azayo I think ay12 aqalwe elinye ijezi eliblue fikela phezulu kwalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, kuyavakala. Now you got to a point where uthi awusafuna ukusebenzela umuntu.
Yeah, ngathi
kwenzakalani da?
Asixabananga lo bhutla ngamtshela ngathi
ubone something.
Yeah, sithema sisipana noTalak ngabona ukuthi azini. Span sipaya ngishanga ngisebenza noTalak hleza ngekho. eHotman ethi Killers. Ngaba nothando usinami ngakhona ukuzenzela la idinga ngiyenza la eHotman. Hotman ithi mina ngishift ngizenzela into yami. Kahle ngepeace hayi ngempi. Yabona umntana wami omzalile mase ekhulile uyakwazi ukuphuma baba kuthi ngiyoqala umuzi wami esayidini. Into engayenza ngaphuma ngaye esayidini wangisupporta futhi naye. That's why kwamanye amajezi engiwakwini elinye ngengamupha ngathi nali jezi engilwini kuBrals ngathi hayi nali jezi ngiyakupha.
Okay. So usadlala naye ku ground eli1 nawe.
Yeah, sasonke kusem ground phase 2. It's just that inhlanhla zabantu azifana yabo. Mina abajita abasheshe bakhula kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah, because benginveste yonke into kubo. Isikhathi, uthando, uyangithola. Ni-investe everything kumaZayoni, so yonke into bengiyenza bengiinvestera ebajiteni.
No kuyavakala.
That's why basheshe
bakhawulezisa.
Nangenhlanhla futhi.
Okay, so asiringe ngegame yakho o ngematch yakho yokuqala as amaZayoni. Wawudlala nobani and then
Idwana.
Kwakuyi experience enjani now knowing ukuthi okay, you know what now ngicoach intwana zami ngiyazi ukuthi yezami whatever that happens here inegama lami.
Ntana usho igame enkulu or lama game la uqala
The first game uyidlala as amaZayoni.
Angisakhumbuli because bizidlala bekunganama bekabu top 8 top 4 yeah but into engizokutshela yona ibe ngwathatha fana yo ayifana ngwathatha
izingaphi indondo ziphethe so far estimation
lapho bekunganama ibizingekho indondo.
Okay,
but ke
even the title nje yegama lokuthi ngonyaka so yathathwa kuwe
ngangiwathatha vele angisakhumbuli that's why ngithi angisakhumbuli first game ukuthi eyipi but engikwazi ukuthi the time la besenze khona lento ekuthiwa istokfele ekhasi futhi kumele kuhlale ukudlale every week uyangithola kuyinkani ukuthi intwana zingahlali contributor sonke every week siza ku le weekend siya kulo next week siya kulo kulela siya kulo ngara ekhasi ebhuta hayi bagcine bathi angeke lasebenzela udisco angeke because
zithathwa kuwe
sonke ngafekufixana into enginazo enkulu ekakhansela na Rikers.
Okay.
Izonke community games ibhekilanga winter games under 21
mupunyaka
last of last year
23
yeah ubhekilanga then ukukhansela angisakhumbuli unyaka but ibhaliwe lapha kundondo izonke community game I think 2023 nakhona if it's not 2022.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so kuma disco games given that kune tournament ye winter ezayo ngoku oyihostayo ekhona ke wayithatha
mfuna ngiqamba manga ngabi nenhlanhla i-winter game ngeke ngayithathi under 21 yeah i-winter game because i-winter game iyebhekilanga akusiye disco yeah
why bathi ke disco
abajida ukuthi manje azini masiza kuwe size ku MK regardless ukuthi ubani uthi MK ngicela ungishayele le job masibona this face size ku MK
so basically you are the face of
lebhekilanga
okay
but ibhekilanga winter game izimele le company bhekilanga so yacela ukuthi mina nomfowethu Boski sibaphushele yona hence ubonile last year bekhona bo Vejemba Vija some members of Prals bebakhona last year because bekuyibhekilanga winter games bungasi Prals bungasi disco i-disco games le kaJanuary lesibuya kuyo manje leyo yami le last year yami
okay so because mabe advertise this winter game they say ka disco so now I adapted to that of which now that it's clear bangaba you are the face of yona le tournament leyana
yeah because usuka ku January
i
disco games then boom June winter games same bantu bebasipana January same bantu babona yi because remember nayo i disco games isponsor ibhekilanga yangithola sponsor ibhekilanga but akuseka bhekilanga sponsor ibhekilanga kodwa ke ibhekilanga winter games eyebhekilanga then mina noBoski sabaspanela abajida sispanela ini ibhekilanga
so whoever bekanela yo question leyo guys nginisizile because now iplate seyivulekile akusena umuntu ozobakhuluma into angayazi la now we know kuba ngaba le yango January yaka disco and then le ye winter games yebhekilanga udlalile ngeEaster
ngidlalile ngeEaster
ubudlala fa
ngidlale somhlolo imusadla Easter games
now ngicela uyithathile
mfethu ngiyathatha kanjani kunama berete ungayithatha mfethu kunama blonde no cheap kanjani
now ayengaka ama game owadlalileyo pha, was it top 32 or top 16?
Bekuyi 16.
16.
Yeah,
So
actually
final
tournament
game
awu-2.
Okay.
Bekunama tournament awu-2 ama-16 oyi-2. Bengidlale ekase enye tournament behostwe yi-Liverpool uLuyanda.
Okay.
So bengidlala ngara ngidlala 2 tournament. Unfortunately bathanda ibhola, they are football slaves. Unfortunately yasekasi
Yeah.
kwaba ne conflict nyana then top 4. Yeah,
Yeah.
ngathi I know wena vayodlala last 4. Yabo.
Okay.
Mina ngeke ngisawazi ukuyodlala last 4 because bekumele siphinde lo game emva kokuthi kube nezimpi yazi ibhola linjani.
Yeah,
Then ngathi
yeah.
na ntwana bamba sibize boardroom decide ukuthi wenza njani.
Nenza
Yabuye,
kanjani,
ngathi
okay.
na ithi sikube nezimpi vayodlala last 4 mina I'm out.
Okay.
Mina ngizofocusana le
Esomhlolo, okay.
esomhlolo yeah.
So take me from igame yakho yokuqala nayo Somhlolo. Ngicela ukuanalyzele yona ngendlela oyibone ngayo kwi-performance yamajita. Obviously wayewina.
Kanje ngidlala lana.
Awusakhumbuli.
Kanje ngidlala nani Somhlolo? First game.
Ama victims wakho abaya to a point that awusakhumbuli neyo.
Mara ngibadlile.
Okay.
Angazi lebadlali All Nation. Yeah, ngathi bengidlala noMabuza, I think ngimshaye 3-0.
3-0.
Yeah, awuthami.
Okay.
Usomatekisi on a payslip kodwa.
Okay.
Mabuza yeah. Ngimudle 3-0 Mabuza. Then ngagema nani? Ngagema I think in awuthami uSpam. Yeah, uSpam. Ngidlale noSpam.
Arsenal.
Yeah, Arsenal ama-Hotman. Ngangema nama-Hotman ale yabenzima le game. Benzima le game mfethu. First half abashita bakore 2 goals.
And yiyo bangabi experience izwakele ke na kuyasenali. Mara majita ayakhathala.
Yeah, dasho ukuthi beku experience versus talent.
Okay.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Obvious experience ayithengiswa MK.
Yes.
Abashita bane experience kakhulu. But ngibashaye nge-energy. Cause balile 2-0 first half.
Okay.
Then I had to come back. Ngikho to faka PlayStation notes at the same time. Ngathi no chance sabulawo. Yabo.
Yeah.
I had to ukuthi ngithi ngikhuthaza chance labani experience banayo. But energy abanayo.
Yeah.
Badala labantu. So manje awusalishaya ibhola. Cause malishaya usinika inkingi. Asibambe istribble silibambeni istribble labantu siye kubo.
Yeah.
Bazosondeza eboxini bazoshanga ebhantu.
Okay.
Once saba frustrate basikhahlele so thola ama place kick danger zone. Isizo benefit.
Okay.
Fortunately asebenza ngisashaya 1-2 goals esakuma penalty. Yaza ama penalty lotho.
Okay.
Then wayiluza kanjalo umhlonipheni. Ngaya ku ngadlala eNjomana. Ngadlala eNjomana against a tough opponent angaze angikhumbula ingidla eNjomana egroundini.
Yeah.
Yeah, na extension 9 ngikhumbula ngidlala nama penalty. Yeah, ngidla kuma penalty. But Somhlolo ngeke ngireminder abachita ngathi laba bake basidla basikhiphe emalini.
Yeah.
Laba beke bathatha isinkwa sethu. Bahlutha isinkwa emlonyeni.
Yeah.
Kumele sibahle manje. So sigemile la. 1-1 ne? Yeah, 1-1 ikoruqala eNjomana.
Okay.
Then sabuya sa equalize. Saya kuma penalty then sabadla.
Okay.
Then that's where final la khona sidlale nama Beret. Izone 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were telling you.
Yeah, ilapho bekunzima mfethu.
Yeah. Ngawaphi ama mistakes that you can recall owayenzile phayana kuyo le game yakho namaBarret?
Ama mistakes engiwayenzile actually ukungacapitalize kulama chances wathole first half.
Okay.
Sithola ama chance amaningi first half. And bengana central bengena natural center back.
Okay.
Bengidlala ngama right back oyi2 cause center back beyivayile idlala iClub before ibuye utabalaza.
Yeah.
So I had to ukuthi ngiplane ngento enginayo la.
Ngento nayo.
Yeah, ngathatha ama right back oyi2 ngawaletha central. Awayenza ama center back. So we guess yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So of which that's when abo bebafumana isiqoba sokungena.
Yeah, because igole lika Professor Mongabheka score eqala. Yeah, wabuya amaBeret second half siceda kubuya.
Okay.
Flop esilenzile in 5 minutes sibavumela ukuthi bathole igoli lokuqala. Automatically bazobuya egamini. Wakora Professor utabla lapha ku 4-5.
Okay.
Then wabuya uSister Monique uJwaga. Washaya equalize igoli number 2. Yabo. 10 minutes game ngakapheli kusele boma 5 minutes sabuya. Sa equalize. Yeah, kuma penalty.
Yeah.
Kuma penalty goalkeeper save one. Owethu. Laba bethu ba Mr. Woko wabamba uDonald. I think ubambe 3 uDonald wezone 3. Then ngalondlela saba out.
Naba out okay
Yeah.
no. No, bangaba, it was one of our games amakhulu bewadlala phayana, and then it was a tough game.
Yeah, izone 3 intwana mangidlala nezone 3. Kuba nzima.
Yeah, ne.
Zone 3 let's sithi muzovuka eksini uthi uyodlala nezone 3. Zone 3 mfethu it's one of the biggest teams esinawo like us.
Okay.
Yeah, ungawa undermine amawuthanda. But make no mistake, izone 3 team enkulu. Yeah, team enkulu dala abadlala ama big games. So le ntwana masidlala nabo. Ziyazinikela. Asifuni ukudliwa yibo.
Yeah,
yeah, because bezibabukela abadlala. Remember le ntwana bezibukela uMaplonde adlala ibhola.
Okay.
So now sidlala against uMaplonde. Asifuni ukudliwa uMaplonde.
Yeah.
But the good thing abayenzile la bezone 3 bashintshe structure se team, ba bring up new players, yama energy khona, we understand.
Yeah, okay.
And into bezingayifuni lezi ukudliwa umzizi because umzizi player lazo mara bekadlala against zona adlala ku zone 3. Zathi thina ngeke dliwa umzizi. Angeke bangascore bonke umzizi asifuna score. Hayibona.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah.
So Okay. No, ngikhangela indlela yokubuza le question le, but then une team yakho amaZion.
Yes.
Now comes a time where kumele uvawe yo attenda in kuphi where physically uzoba absent eteamini and amajita ne tournament enkulu kumele ayidlale. Yabo? Now can you give me a list of aba coach abayi5 ongatrusta kubo i-team yakho ukuthi bangakubuyela naleya tournament leya, and why?
Awutham MK amaZion team aseGaza.
Yeah.
Team intwana zaselokishini ePalmridge. Akudingeki ukuthi ngize ngipoint ucoach ngithi ozocoacha le intwana.
Yeah.
I think ngizoba ngwrong.
Okay.
That's why mawungabheka unokubona ucoach uScar face for United.
Yes.
It's one of the biggest coaches, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, coach enkulu la. Why yeah inzima kakhulu la uclear. Igood. Unokubona uModel uDura, uDumsana.
Okay.
Amajita khona ukuvolunteer azomela inini sisebenza sonke.
Okay.
Hayi ukuthi kunento abafuna ukuyithola masulile or masithola second prize, bafuna ukholo anything. Baba ama-hotman le intwana, baba abazali kule intwana.
Okay.
Because mina ngi-hotman kaSkara noDumsana ngimdala kakhulu ebashitini. But bona ama-hotman le intwana. So bavela ba step in beze bazospana nale intwana. So abantu engaziyo ukuthi mabazi ukuthi kuyadlalwa awumtshela ukuthi woza siyadlala uvela abone nje feature. Uzobona ngayiseka la span.
Okay.
Sometimes ngidlalile phansi aspan uSkara. Sometimes ngibloma span uModel. Because obviously lento engizoyenza ile akafuna azoyenza more because sifuna into eyi1 sifuna iwin for a Castlete Palmridge, not for a personal glory udisco. No, for a Palmridge.
For a Palmridge.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no ndiyakuva. Ene you're trying to outsmart me kule question le. Uzoyibuza still, but then uzoyibuza ngenye angle. Okay. Now ngabaphi kwi-experience yakho kule industry ye sports nama tournaments so wa attendile so far, obviously mawucoacha nawe uyababona abanye abo-coach mabespana.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go kuma games even if you're not playing, uyababona abanye abo-coach mabaspana.
Yes.
Ne?
Yes.
Now give me top 5 yabo-coach oyaziyo ukuthi abo-coach ngo-coach aba-best aba, regardless of baya senza isikhathi baya volunteer to come and do the job. No, best low coach lona mawunga entrust team yakho kuye, you'd know bangaba you'd come nama results are so, and if uluzile there's a very valid reason yokuthi why uluzile.
Before ngiphendula umuntu baye best ngani
nge-coaching.
Okay, ngama result or
ngama results, yeah, ngama results
ukhona ukukhuluma kahle or
yes, especially a coach that you would trust ngama player wakho.
Okay.
You know sometimes ama player
uMaZion or abantu engibahloniphayo ezama 5 best coaches engibukela kubo mina as a disco.
Okay. Ngabapho bukela kubo wena disco.
All right, ngiyakuzwa because bengithi le ngiphendulile yabantu engingabathembe lokushini. Akunamuntu engamapoint abazisukumela.
Okay.
All right, baningi mfana. Angeke kube fair ukuthi ngipointe ubani nobani but judging by ama result engiwaziyo mina and ngicela inga-offend abafowethu lento le labe ngisipana nabo ku this industry of football because sibaningi sisebenza sibaningi ingaba offend abajita these things lena ngiba undermine ukuthi wonke umuntu onomuntu wakhe akathi ayi ntwana maneshi yabona. Okay, number 1
no before iphendula ne I like the part ukuthi abantu bangayithathi ngendlela wrong because what we are doing kai we are trying to say bani nobani siya recognize umsebenzi wakho. That is why we salute you masisifika kai. That is why sikhuluma ngawe sisithini ngawe because obviously I'm asking you because ngabantu obhekelela kubo and if ever ngabantu obhekelela kubo ngabantu that you could recommend kumanye ama team to say guys look at umuntu so yabo. At this point it doesn't mean ukuthi maybe next year sasezoba uye maybe khona umunye coach osakhula that's going to learn something ngathi hayi nami ngifuna ukuba la yabo. So we actually creating their platform there to say ngabapho coach that you guys should look up to yabo. So number 1
no abachita ingaba offending ngisaphinda ngabahlonipha bonke ngaba respect abachita sisebenza sonke. Mina fana Jokes Morino fana
coach in
Aston Villa beka coach Aston Villa no coach Arieng kodwa uyithatha izolo text leyathothi mayifika lo Jokes Morino la clever idlala leya uMorino ufika kuyinyakanyaka eteamini umnikeza amagame ayi4 ahamba uwine iaward abuye nayo endlini cup abuye nayo Jokes Morino number 1 2 minutes to Katoras fine Mpumlui 2 minutes mfethu they are clever inesinye isiphiwo engeke usithathe kuyo uyangithola angeke uzumazi nokumazi la muntu ngicabanga ngomazi 2 minutes
no nyamazi
leyathothi inzima kakhulu 2 minutes 3 Ginola fana River Park Ginola we River Park untwana ugenius kakhulu usmart too much uyangithola
now yindlela aplana ngayo game before
idiski lakhe ngikutshela ukuthi noma kuthiwa ukhinyekile uzolenjoy faka ushukela ujino shukela nespan uyangithola 4 Twittelia fana Tumsana Twitter le Murakas fana inja kakhulu le uTumsana uTwitter fana inja kakhulu yathothi leyana la ifika khona ifika thatha indondo ibeke eJardini then 5 Scar face for United le ntwana leyana le Scar fana inesinye isiphiwo le yathothi intwana engiyaziyo mina ukuthi lana yikhiphi manje mayizodlala shaya ikhola pay 1 fonele wena abanye bayitext coach wayengekho iphase 4 ithi anginayo imali bathi zama imali okungena sizoza thina sizodlala sizozigibeza thina self bayayithanda le nto leyo but uyalazi ibhola linjani ibhola linini no currently sithatha ibhola silenze ipolitiki yabona siba nenzondo nephase 4 sizonde naye izi end up iphelele ematafuleni ukuthi badliwe bangakadlali udliwa ungakadlali awukadlali mara
sowudliwa
uya understand
discourage leyanto leyana especially kuma players
uSkara was 5 baningi I so wishing balista abajita baningi fana baningi uchipa wezone 3 abo simnandi siyashisa baningi fana abajita abantsini uyangithola but ufune 5 ngikulistela 5 ngixolise kwabanye manje
no kuwile top 5 leni siyasaluta abafethu
tusikungidlile ne
awususile
ngithathele imali Tuske issues to issues
and we are getting there I was watching le game yakho no Tuske yabona mase siringa ngale game ke at least sizokhuluma nga something nami bengiyibhekelele engiyibonile bezindala zombini la from first half mara you've had ama chances abaya ukuwina la
that's true
and our utilizing
Yeah, that's
khamba yini bewulekha ngayo vele kuleya match leya
inhlanhla man
ne
inhlanhla cause ngibheke uThusi lineup kaThusi uphethe uma 11 days
yeah
center back phethe abozodo uphethe Haman uphethe abo 50 phethe amatikiti phethe lelo bomb lelo namanye ama-gents
ngibonile
ya uphethe bomb then ngababheka ngathi okay sharp laba bantu bethu laba same thing esiyenze ku-Arsenal same thing kumele siyenze kulabo
okay
laba bane experience abangascore lapha le mistake esiyenze ku-Arsenal ukuthi score singaphindi siyenze kulabo laba bana energy so bashange energy bane experience bakora bana ngeke sibuye akumelanga bakore kumele thina sibakore siba frustrate then asilishayi saba dribble kuphela that's why ubone i-Ashes to Ashes beyilifuna kule final
belikhangela
because bengifuna siba frustrate sathola ama opportunity 3 Hazard bekumela khona nama chance lawa then unfortunately mangasilanga la kakusilanga la so atholile show khona leli lizile ku Hazard la shaya idolweni la yesayidini I mean
that's why usho vele ukuthi
bekubanga nenhlanhla but ke nawe uyawazi ama penalty then ngababiza mangibabiza uthulane makangena egroundini uThuski abiza ama player le goalkeeper kahlala phansi nami ngithola chance ukubiza abantu bashita abascore nabantu asizameni ukukora if asikhona ukukora akumelanga bakora but ezama siya kuma penalty thatha 2 sizobadla wathi sharp saya kuma penalty but ezama save penalty yokuqala ka50
yo NFL u50 bekasenzani la
ubatheza uyamazi ukuthi 50 uyamazi Batheza 50 uzoya ka left ngiyamtshela ngithi ka50 if kusukuma u50 uya on the left makusukuma 11 days uya on the left but nge short it's either shy short is a straight kuwe or uya on the left ungamove thatha lawa u2 11 days winning penalty as legend walishaya but u2 wathathile uBatheza abajita bashaya ipali bashayela ngaphandle bazimistela so saluza ngaleyo ndlela
no otherwise bekuyigame
leya cause mongabheka umatikiti akayithola ngevini chance e1 bengithatha intwana e1 ngathi guide makumatikiti matikiti anga10 abheka ipali lethu akaloka ubuyisela emuva kuphela that's it then makaloka ubuyisela emuva yakho dangerous utracker irun yakho uthi runela kuphi makayamekeza kuwe right back yamarka wena usalana makaya ku left back yamarka matikiti akaphuma eboxini that's why bekamakhe intwana e1 imele uspawn
ne no bekuyimatch now speaking of game sizokhuluma ngama players now ngizokulimita still I will need you to give me a top 5 now I know ama players ase teamini yakho okay you can take even from the team yakho but take 1 or 2 from the team yakho please and then amanye ama player mawasuke kumanye ama team now I need you to give me 5 yama players oyazi ukuthi these are the best players esinazo so far ama scouts from wherever ama scouts that asibhekelela akhona they must look at lama players la because these are the people that are taking ikasi lethu to another level kwi sport
MK angeke be fair fan ukuthi you pick a 1 on my team
from the team yakho
I rather not pick anything on my team ngeke kube fair kule intwana uyangithola because ngiyazi ukuthi makhuluma ngaleyo best 5 so khuluma ngabo bani automatically and lezi ezinye siyazi uzofika kubantu abanye and bengizofika zona lezi sicabanga ukuthi azikho best because zida kuleya team ngereason zonke zi best uyangithola uthando so I will suggest ukuthi kumazayoni
shift emazayoni sibheka amanye ama team
ngaphiki ngaphiki fana ithini X level fana le ntwana Hazard makhombothi
ifaku jezi number 1
ifaku number 11 usually bathu 11 onenkinga la
ntwana le X11
le X11 la ntwana anytime izokuspanela anytime izokushaya ispan le ntwana bese khona enye intwana ebloma like us u12 pack Tshepo Tsoteti le ntwana the boy is very good
inudlelela iphi team
uTshepo Tshepo yahlanya phela umthola
Ungafana ngawo.
yeah uyithola nini iku lezi ezayo Vurvai
Okay.
nini iLakers but yona usually idlala ku off iLakers
Okay.
team yayo i-off.
Okay.
Yeah Tshepo Tsotetsi 2
Show number 12.
yeah number 1 12 pack Tshepo Tsotetsi 12 pack.
Okay, so I nickname le ka 12.
Yeah, then
Okay.
ngeke kube fair umeshine wonke ama player besa olmeshini Big Mama the White Wish Skirogo.
Aw.
Mfethu hayi shaka Sputishman hayi nje kakhulu le.
Yeah.
Mfana yeke le ntwana inzima kakhulu.
Okay.
Then
So now isport ishudlalela iMadagascar.
Mudagaskar
Yeah.
dlala kuMadagascar.
Okay.
4 yangithola I wish ngathi ngameshina bo 10.
Boma 10.
Yeah.
Give me 10. Okay, give me 10. Asiphula ama rules kancane. Give me 10.
Mfethu I wish ngathi ngameshina bo 10.
Kezakala.
Uzibo fana.
Yeah.
Fana le ntwana uziba striker le. Izon 3.
Zone 3.
Yeah uzibo fana ayingwe.
Ufaka ujezi number 1.
Angimazi Ronaldo fak number 1 angimazi lezi ntwana amajezi
Okay.
yeah but ingwenye striker nje nepodio bu striker vele
Okay.
defender ilali lapha defender mayilali ebusuku ingoba idonsa ngamazinyo yantwana ayidlali lentwana lozibo Ronaldo
Yeah.
striker lentwana leyana then umshiya kanjani mfethu ukhila amabhodo
Aw.
umshiya kanjani usiputla abadakiwe mfethu yekena
Okay, yena kuyiphi team?
ukhila sekane contract arada not machine team yakhe but ukhulele kuzone 3 wayakumamba
Okay.
bekadume kakhulu kumamba
Mamba, okay.
ya udume kuzone 3 kakhulu imamba yamthatha wayakumamba now une team ya kasadlala
Akasadlala
ebuthweni ukhila amabhodo
Okay.
mfethu yekela uthamlala ngeke ubuye
Okay.
bese khona into ezayo fana DJ Maporis ukhawula pori idlala ku 2 minutes
Okay.
Mfethu ayinja le ntwana leyana yinja la ntwana Maporisa ukuthi kune problem mina uthami ngithanda intwana
Okay.
yangithola
Sure.
ngithanda intwana
Sure.
singamfili sister Monica
Aw. Yeah, kudumile.
singamfili
Udlalela-
uKasongo mfethu
Yeah, udlalela yini usister Monica?
usister Monica sekane club manje
Okay.
but ukhulele kuzone
Ukhulele
3
kuzone 3 now.
waya kuMudagaskar sekane team now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think ngicela ukuphelela la.
For-
Awon machine umzizi because ngamashini umzizi ngeke befeke le ntwana zamazayoni.
Yeah.
Ushuka mzizi.
Yeah.
Because usase party yazo.
Usase iphathi
iy'ntwana.
yazo, okay.
So awon machine those any player nje lamazayoni ngeke machine.
Okay.
But I wish ukuthi ngakunika 6 khona siye.
No, Tete.
Awuyeke abazayoni. Awuyeke. Khona into anafana ikhule istriker like us.
Yeah.
Yeah, inebody manje. Ayinzima la ntwana. Noma ungathini uyathanda uthanda lantana uzokunika igoli.
Okay.
Le ntwana umango the African fruit izokukorela le ntwana. Le mango le ofi
Yeah.
igain recently ngibonile igain ibody yangithola but still lokho igain ibody kanjalo izokushayela ispan
Akusiyo le bathi inamagoli amaningi ku-Easter la eThokoza.
le ntwana umango uhlanya ngaba yiyo
Because I heard bangaba iplayer ye-ofi iscore amagoli abhaya.
ayikho right ekhanda le ntwana ayikho sharp le ntwana maye kuyabona ipali bro iyagula
Iyagula.
nangobhonsi kodwa nangobhonsi le ntwana striker lesi
Okay.
yeah umango
I
think
see.
asiphelele la
Okay, asime la. Okay, no. Sizoderive to
khona intwana ezayo ne
yeah.
idlala ku Heroes
Okay.
watch the space kuba Dlamini
Okay.
le ntwana usibusiso Dlamini bayibize usigaqa amabhandi
Okay, izobe khona kwi
yeah izobukhona ku 21 awuthami igayi unyaka oyi1 le ntwana ezoba i big thing
Okay.
iyeza
Yeah, niyazivela bafethu.
iyeza le ntwana
Niyazivela, so
i-captain e-Heroes
okay.
inkinga idlala le team kababwayo that's why ba comfortable kubo le ntwana usibusiso
Yeah.
iyeza that boy I'm telling you unyaka nje kuphela
Aya simbukele.
Alright.
Simbukele. Okay, now we deriving to i-winter games.
yeah
Esiz approachayo ngoku ne.
Yes.
It's top 32.
top 32 yeah
Yeah, I've seen poster nyana ebe mention ama team are interested or ama team azu participate vele.
Yeah.
Are they interested teams or ngama team azu participate vele?
I'm interested team I think afika ku 50
Ayafika ku
but
50.
le list leyana njengoba kubhale ukuthi closed
Okay.
ayi 32
Ay 32.
I think le 32 kuna 6 ama standby
Okay.
yeah including imamba ku standby
Hayibo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, including no Dash, Mataitai.
Yeah, yeah.
Standby. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Yeah, baku standby bonke labo bantu laba abawu6.
Okay.
And khona basa affiliates na Turin. Khona ba affiliates izona abawu2. Automatically sisina 8 amathima ku standby. So ungawalindela ama changes la.
Okay.
Ngawalindela ama changes because nathi sithatha ama instructions from Bhekilanga. Babazokutshela ukuthi ngenze example but nge1 sifuna umuntu abhadalile. Ngizobhalela lethe side ngikubize into amabheka man. Emali MK man kufanele ukuthi ubhadale balance engaki. From nge1 uthi wena ngizoyithola nge7 nithi angina choice kumele ngikhiphe.
So that
ufake lokho standby.
Uyiphethe manje okay.
Ngiyava. That's why ngithi balindele more changes. Azoba khona ama changes la. Yeah, azoba khona.
So basically not wonke ama team that are listed phayana sewagqibile ukubhadala.
No, babhadalile bona.
Okay.
Because yabona umuntu masekahafile ufuna ukudlala ibhola. But ke kumele kunomthetho kumele follow ama rules. Tournament kudala ipost kudala iphumile. Bekumele ngakwenza into right kudala. Unfortunately imali asinayo. Ufaka le ncane akayithola abamba ispace nge1000. Sekusondela tournament abantu bebacabanga ukuthi kuyadlalwa
yeah.
Ba affiliate ama 3.5 automatically noma ungafaka 3.5 uya ku waiting list uzolinda seka u8 ama team aku waiting list
already
yeah okay silindele ukuthi the days bhali incwadi sithi MK mfethu lela 2.5 nge1 liyafuneka yabona ngigayi isikhathi ngithi nge1 liyafuneka yeah uthani zokunika ngikukhumbuze nge28 mfethu uthi hayi nge1 ngikukhumbuze uthi nge7 automatically sekumele ngisikhiphe sifake lo phethe imali because it all in the kuso ebholweni sinzima ukaffiliate just because imali asinayo but immediately uwin tournament imali yakho ifuna semdini
yeah okay the communication ithini vele la
communication sharp
yabo
communication sharp nabachita
is it that xa sewin a tournament you are getting paid immediately or kuba ne hours ezithile ekumele uzilinde
ukhamba samba amanyama tournament sifunda izinto eziningi buma usadladla immediately khali impembe immediately khali impembe yokugcina
clock imali yakho
uyakubamba bambe ngesandla bambe nalo
okay
nisayodlala ifinal anikafiki wena udlala ifinal nami unibamba ngezandla lo2 athi tournament 70 second prize 25 unika ama 25 no2
yeah
unika ama 25 no2 ambanolela le 35 45
lesayise
so uzalweli 45 ama second prize angenile owinayo uyambiza same time sendeni 45 leyo ngikhuluma ngomusadlala into engineshonga ngiyeza bathi nga right Davidson scope bathi ugas same time egroundini yonke imali uthi ushintsha iyaclock so sizama ukufunda ebantwini abafana nalabo nathi because usually thina kubhekilanga number second prize and first prize sibanika kusa 16
okay the
yamthola ekseni makusa imali yakhe yangena ku account but 30 40 labo bantu sibanika cash sokukountela sikunike cash uvalue endlini so right but sizama ukufunda lento enzeka kwamanye ama tournament ukuthi immediately sesiyazi ama finalists MK no Disco sibasendela ama second prize yeah sinodlalela ini first prize
no it makes sense ene green vele ngaleyo ndlela leyo so yini kumele si expectile especially from amazayoni kuyo le tournament le yebhekilanga awapha ama play kumele siwajonge vele bangaba sizowabona egroundini and obviously mawungena tournament you are there bangaba uyoyithatha
yeah ngene ukujoin tournament akusuyo 18 number
ne
but
now
we all knows ukuthi uzowina umuntu oyi1
uzowina ngomuntu oyi1 okay now after telling us or giving us a review nyana ngama players ozobe waphethe khona la kule tournament ngicela uzirate looking at lama team ozobe participate against wona la ukuthi do you think ukuba ngaba you get to a final match at least
ngiyakubona ufuna ukungidayisa ufuna ukungithengisa ufuna abangiplanele okay akusho ufuna abangiplanele abaplan ke
sure
ngizoba ngiphethe ukhila amabhodi ngizoba ngiphethe usystem le kujwaga ngizoba ngiphethe uskiro
Okay.
No uyajoke ntana
Now-
akeke izithole lezo intwana ngizobe ngidlala ngamaplayer amazayini lawo wazi
Lawo ngiwaziyo.
yeah
Okay.
nga-eda 2-3 nyana nje kuphela
It's always a tough question le xa ndiyibuza kuma-coaches abhaya, especially kwi-game ezayo, maybe the following week or nani ndithi ngawaphi ama-players obowaphethe. No one actually wants to give me uba no ngizobe ndiphethe bani. Others are saying ba ama-player ayingowabo so bayawacela
Kwamanye ama-team.
sininini you'd find ukuthi no uzobe edlalela i-team yakhe ngelanga eliso.
Yeah.
So I thought ukuthi wena hayi uzovele utsho nje.
No,
vele
mina
ukuthi
ngidlala
expect
ngama-player
ubani.
amazayoni.
Amazayoni.
yeah ngidlala ngamaplayer amazayoni
Amazayoni. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah no.
ngizobe ngidlala ngey'ntwana zami
Yeah,
yeah ngisebenzisa lento enginayo mina because I don't have inyungu ngibiza ubani ngimbhadale
Okay.
rather ngisipane ngey'ntwana engiphila nazo elokishini usually iy'ntwana zase-Palmridge lezi edlala kumazayoni
Okay.
yeah
So ibhekilanga games ine anniversaries ezingaphi so far? Iqale nini?
Bhekilanga Winter Games I think it's a 30 edition
30 year.
yeah 30 edition
Okay. Bano wathatha eyokuqala.
21 ithathwa amazayoni usenior ithathwe yini Johannesburg All Stars angisazi khona lapho Johannesburg All Stars
Okay.
uqala then yos 2 21 ithathwe yini ngathi simnandi
Okay.
ngathi simnandi hayi izok season 3 between zone 3 and simnandi
Okay.
then isenior ithathwe yiwa amaperede izone 3
Okay.
yeah ithathwe izone 3 the second edition
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
asazi
kuzoba
khuluma
yenzi-
ngebhekilanga ukhuluma ngedisco game
ngebhekilanga ya ngebhekilanga since sibhekene nayo
yeah
phela for now.
ithathwe amaperede I
Okay.
think amaperede ama defending champions now
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
And that was it from mna namhlanje. Yabo. So ndiyabulela ngexesha osinikeze lona today for bawuzokala sicuncukola and hopefully bangaba xa sik-invite kwakhona sizoba nawo lama conversations la. Even though sometimes kuzoba tough but then yes, it is gidisa.
usho ndedoni indodeni khuleka
Okay,
khuleka ungibize
Yeah,
ngizozwakala ya akula next sokhuluma ngebhola
ngebhola. Hayi ibhola vele.
amajita
Ibhola vele.
angafili bad ukuthi bona they didn't mention them as ama best coaches they are the best but then I had to ukuthi ungilimitele
Yeah,
wathi ngibize 5
Hayi vele.
ngithola yeah
Okay bafethu, so that was it from us. Ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe, ningalibali ukucomment bafethu. That is kunimbuza ama questions guys. Lama questions eniyazi ukuthi mina nihlulile. I know bangaba ngeke nihlule nina. And once nayibuza ndayibona ku comment section, the next time ndimbiza kayi I will make sure ubangabuya iphendula ne. Okubalekile is that niyasinceda bafethu ukukhula ngokushare yona le video lena so that sizokhona ukureacha nakumanye ama audiences. That is konyabulela bra.
hayi kubonge mina mfethu
Ndiyabulela kakhulu man.
bonge mina futhi
Thank you.
thulana nkolodo ashes to ashes
Tuesday.
ngizomthola
Uyazivela.
all right futhi
Yeah, hope uhlangane naye. Yeah. Yo. Hey, ifuna vele